The product and technology roadmap planning process is executed in all product-based organizations to plan the roadmap for a quarter or a year. Even many service-based organizations do run this process to plan their offerings. Though there are existing tools to do some level of roadmap planning, many lack features, and the process is often misunderstood, resulting in failures. We, along with some of the stalwarts of the industry, have developed a universal product and technology roadmap framework that can be applied to any industry, which helps you prepare the roadmap and sequence hundreds of projects. This framework has been adopted in several top organizations. In this course, you will learn a framework that can be used for technology and product roadmap planning, sequencing projects in a program, quarterly and annual planning. Multiple projects planning will help you schedule hundreds of projects simultaneously. You will not only learn the process but will also receive the free tools which will let you execute the roadmap planning process in your organization. This course is suited most to the program managers, delivery managers, project managers, product managers, engineering managers, business heads, technology heads, developers, founders, executives, CTO, CEO, or anyone who is involved or wants to learn the product and technology roadmap planning process. Enroll in this unique course now and surprise your colleagues or interviewers with profound learning. Grow your skills. Grow your career. Grow your opportunity.